5. As you know, your PT1 exams are going on. So we have to, before to complete the term 1 exam, this time we have to, at first I would like to revise the chapter, both chapters. As you know, in PT1 exam, you will get the 2 chapters. Number 1 is health and hygiene, another one is growing plants. So let's start the revising the chapter. I will ask you question and you will give your answers through message. So you will give all of your answers through the message. Okay. And I'll see the answers and I will get that whether you are correct or not. So I'm asking you the first question. Food contains some essential substances are called this. What are called the food substances which are essential, or the some essential substances in the food are called what? Yes, very good, Jehan. It is nutrient. So if once I got the answer, no need of writing again and again. Prince, very good. You have also given the correct answer. This is nutrient. And the second question, this kind of food is giving you energy, or this kind of food is giving you good energy. What is the name of the component of the food which is giving you? No, Jehan, protein are not giving you energy. Fat is never give you the good amount of energy. Carbohydrate, very good. Carbohydrates are giving you good amount of, or the good, good type of energy. The energy sources, carbohydrate are actually honey, and this honey, starch, these are all of the carbohydrate sources, and they are good energy resources. Yes, the both, only 2 chapters will come, or no, you know, this is your PT1 exam syllabus, you should know. So when it is PT1 exams, then why the other chapters will come? Only 2 chapters will come, that I have written here, health and hygiene and growing plants. That's all, okay? It will come in your exam. No any other outer question, how the outer question will come. Now next one is, this is the nutrient, or this is needed for the growth of body, building of muscles and repairing our worn out tissues. What it should be? Give the answer fast. This is yes, very good, Jehan. This is protein. Jehan, Prince, Nishi, they all have given the correct answer. Even Isha Panja is also given the correct answer. This is protein. Protein is needed for the needed for your body building, or you can say this is needed for your muscles and worn out tissues. Now the very next question, this produces and this gives immunity to our body. Which kind of food is giving you immunity, or they are fighting against the diseases? Fighting against the diseases means giving you the immunity. What? Yes, very good, Prince. This is vitamins. Jehan also written vitamins. Jehan is writing very fast, and he is giving. No, vaccine is a type of medicine, dear. They are introduced inside your body. This is not a food item. Now next one is, this kind of thing is needed for good functioning of our body, and they get away, or they get rid our waste material from our body. What is that? This is a kind of, this is not the main component, but it is needed. Yes, very good. This is roughage. They are helping for us to get rid the all waste material from our body. Now the next question, if I ask, that is a diet that contains all right proportion of the food particles, or the proportion of the different nutrients, roughage and water which are needed for the proper functioning of your body. What is that? That is a balanced diet. Very good. So you are giving very quick answer. Now this is a kind of a method, or you can say this is a way, or is a method for keeping your food for long time. What is it called? The way we use different ways, no? Yes, this is food preservation. Very good. So the answer is given by lots of person. Avipsha has given, Jihan is given, and Isha, Ayati and Aronno, they all have given the correct answer. Nishi also given the correct answer. Now sugar and starch are two main types of what? Sugar and starch are two main types of what? They are, sugar and starch are two main types of carbohydrate. Very good. Isha has given the correct answer. This is a carbohydrate. Now I will give you some symptoms, and I will just give you some symptoms, and I will ask you the name of the disease, which is which diseases have these kinds of symptoms. Okay, ready? Now it is written here Ayatti, so we call you Ayati. That's why. Okay. Now, and I am very weak in Bengali also, so it's okay. Ayunti isn't. Okay. Now, next one is a person who is having this kind of symptoms. What are they? The skin is being folded, and folded skin can be seen all over the body, and the ribs of the child is visible. What type of disease it is? It is marasmus. Very good. Avipsha has given the first answer. So you all are, lot of persons are giving. Very good. You all are involving. Very good. Now the next question or the next symptoms I am talking about, the in this disease, the abdomen bulges out. The abdomen bulges out, and it becomes swollen, and the legs become thin. What it should be? What kind of disease it is? Name the disease. Yes, very good. Isha has written Kwashiorkor, and it is the correct answer. Jehan also given, Avipsha also given. Now the next one is, in this condition, your neck portion becomes swollen up. So, name the disease. When your neck portion becomes swollen up, and this gland is become swollen up. Okay, what is the name of this disease? This is a goiter. Very good. Now, if you see the next, in this disease or in this deficiency disease, you will feel fatigue. That means you will feel very much, tired, and your skin become pale. What is the name of the disease? Anemia. Very good. It is anemia. Prince has given the answer. It is anemia, and Aronno also given the answer. Very good. Acha, Livana is also giving the correct answer. Now, another type of disease is here, which causes a person cannot see in the dim light. So, what is the name of the disease in which a person cannot see in the dim light? What is the name of the disease? Can you tell? In this disease, a person cannot see in the dim light. Night blindness. Very good. Avipsha, Jehan, they both have given the answer. Now, in this condition, this non-communicable disease, your gum portion become bleeding gums and swollen. So your gums become swollen up, and it will start to bleed. So what is the name of the disease in which your gum becomes swollen up and it will started to bleed? This is scurvy. Very good. Lots of persons, Isha, Livana, Aronno, they all are giving the correct answer. Yes, even Aratri is also giving the correct answer. Now it is scurvy. Now next one is, this is not a disease, but in this, this is a symptom that some kind of bacteria or viruses, some microorganisms entered inside your body. So what is it? This is not a disease, but it is a symptom when it shows that you have some infection or any kind of microbe has been entered inside your body. So it is not cancer, dear. No. Fever. Fever is actually not any disease. This is a symptom that some kind of microbes or some bacteria, viruses have entered inside your body, and maybe some kind of infection is there. That's why body fight against that infection, and the temperature become risen up. Okay, so the actually fever is not a disease, it is a symptom. Okay, understood? Yes. Now we will talk about another kind of disease. Tell me the category of the disease in which diseases is spread from one person to another person. What is that disease? Category of the disease in which diseases is spread from one person to another. Write the name of the category or the, yes, very good, Prince. It is a communicable diseases in which the diseases is spread from one person to another. I have told you category. I didn't ask you the name of the disease. There is a difference, no? When I am telling you the category of the diseases in which diseases occur due to the deficiency, that means they are non-communicable diseases. When I am asking you, write the name of the category in which the diseases are spread from one person to another, that means this category is communicable diseases. Clear? Okay. Now very good. Shubhecha also given the correct answer. Now I'll ask you, this is the tell me the name of the disease which is spread or which is catched through the air, or which disease is spread through the air. Name one disease which is communicable through the air or which is spread through the air. Yes, flu is there. Very good. Flu is there. Flu is a air communicable disease. Okay. Now, typhoid, jaundice and cholera is spread through this agent. Typhoid, cholera and these jaundice, these are spread through this agent. No, not the direct contact, or no. Common cold is also correct. It is also spread through air. I'm asking you, yes, this is contaminated food and water. Jehan is correct. This is spread through, this is what agent it is? Contaminated food and water. So the cholera and this cholera and this jaundice or the typhoid, these all are spread through contaminated water and food. Okay. Now the next one is, tell me, some people are very sensitive to dust or some food item, and when they disposed or when they exposed to these things, they start itching. This condition is called what? This is allergy. Very good. Prince has given the correct answer. This is allergy. I don't know, this is allergy, right? So lots of persons are giving the correct answer. Now tell me the name of the disease which is spread through female Anopheles mosquito. Name the disease which is spread through female Anopheles mosquito, or the female Anopheles. Jehan, this is not Anopheles. This is not dengue, dear. This is malaria. This is malaria. Anopheles is spreading malaria. And next, if I ask you, dengue is spread through which mosquito? Which mosquitoes are responsible for spreading of dengue disease? So write the name of the mosquito. It is Aedes. Very good. So Aedes are spreading the dengue, whereas malaria is spread through a female Anopheles mosquito. Clear to you? They both are different name of the Anopheles. Now tell me the name of the disease which is spread through rat's flea. Rat fleas are responsible for, yes, this is plague. Very good. Who has given this answer? Isha Panja. Ayarti is very good. Flu is not the answer. Or no, this is plague. Okay. Flu is spread through the air. No animal is spreading this kind of flu. Flu is actually viral contamination, and this viral contamination always comes to us through the air and through some medium. Okay, not from the animals. Clear? Now, Next one is, okay, now tell me these all the answers. Chicken pox, ringworm and measles are spread through what? Air, direct contact or insects? What is it? What is caused by chicken pox, ringworm and measles are spread through air, direct contact or insects? Yes, very good. Now, one thing I would like to ask you, this is a chemical which you directly or injected by, or it is giving to you through orally, or the orally this medicine or the chemical is given you, or it has been injected to stop the spread of communicable diseases. What is this? This is vaccine. Very good, Zehan. This is vaccine. So vaccine we have to take orally, or we have to take the injections of the vaccine, or the vaccine injections are given to for stopping the spread of this kind of diseases. Now, one thing is again given here. This disease, name the disease which is totally eradicated from our world. This disease has been eradicated from our world. Name the disease. Which disease has eradicated from the world? Name the disease fast. Smallpox. Very good. Or no, this is a smallpox. So smallpox has been eradicated from our world. Now no one is suffer from this disease, suffer from this smallpox, because it has been totally eradicated from our world. Very good. Now the next, if I'll ask you, it is needed for circulation of our blood, as well as for good digestion and toning up of our muscle. So this is very much needed for this. What is that? Right, fast. Yes, exercises. And now this kind of activity, or this activity keeps us fresh, and we get ready for the next day fresh work, for doing the fresh work. What is that? That is not exercised here, that is adequate rest. Okay, now the next one is, or the next question, this is the position in which we hold our body while we are walking, while we are sitting and while we are moving. This is a posture. Yes, it is adequate rest you have given. Now it is posture. Avifsha is given the correct answer. Prince, Avifsha, Jehan, they all are giving the correct answer. This is posture. Now anything related this chapter, do you have any queries? You want to ask me something, or I'll move towards the next chapter. Okay, tell me, name one disease that is spread through air. Just one disease. Write fast. Okay, very good. Now, one disease which is spread through the air, you know that? Name one method of food preservation. Name one method of food preservation. Fast. Name one name of fruit preservation. Only flu is there. No other air contaminated diseases are there. Yes, salting is there, canning is there. Very good. Pickling, salting, dehydration. There are so many methods in which we can keep the food for a long time. Now we will revise the second chapter, that is growing plant. These are called our green friends. What are those? What are the things which are called our green friends? They are who are our green friends? Write fast. Who are our green friends? Name our green friends. Who are our green friends? No one is sponsoring. You don't know? Who are our green friends? Write fast. This is plant. Okay, plants are our green friends. Now, the thick outer covering of a seed is called what? The thick covering of our seed is called what? The thick covering of seed is called this. What is what it calls? What happened? All of a sudden you are stopping to give the answers. You are not giving any answer. Is it audible to you? Is it audible or not? Now we will revise the second chapter. Yes, this is seed code. Very good. That's why I was not getting the answer. Now next one is, this is the place where the food hidden for the baby plant. In this place, food is hidden for the baby plant, or food for the baby plant are stored in this place. Very good. Cotyledons, or in another word you can say cotyledons. Leaves. Okay, seed leaves and cotyledons are the same thing. Very good. So all are giving the correct answer. Now P is this kind of seed. Is it monocotyledon or dicotyledons? P is dash type of seed. It is dicotyledon or monocotyledon? No, Prince, it is not dry or not mono. It is dicotyledons. Means it has two cotyledons. That means dicotyledons. Okay, dry, not dry. Shubhecha, this is not dry. This is di. Okay, di. Now, next one, if I'll ask, what is it? The growth of a baby plant within a seed to form seedling is called this. The growth of a baby plant from, yes, this is germination. Very good. So many persons have given the answer at once. Very nice. Now, the scattering of the seed away from the mother plant is called this. Scattering of the seed away from its mother plant is called this. Dispersal. Very good. Arti given the first answer. This is dispersal. Okay. Now, next one, give me one example in which some plant dispersed by the wind. So, give one example of the seed which is dispersed by the wind. Madar, very good. Abipsha, cotton, madar, they all dispersed by the wind. Now, next one is, give one example of the plant which dispersed by the animal. Write one more name which is dispersed, or the name of the seed which is dispersed by the animal. Mango is not dispersed by the animal, dear. This is xanthium. Very good. Tiger nail and xanthium. They both are having the nail type structure, and they are tough of the hairs, so that they stick to the skin of the animals, and animals carry them from one place to another. Okay, so this is these two names are actually example of the animal carrying examples are, and these are actually xanthium and tiger nail. And whatever you have said, that is, yes, right, your mango is also the name, because sometimes people eat them and throw it away. So in this way, some animals or some kind of, human beings, they disperse these seeds. Okay, this is also good. But generally, the way of the seeds which are sticking on the animal's skin. Okay, and you were also right, mango is also correct. Now, Chirchita is also right. Jehan, it is also right. Now, tell me, poppy, pea and balsam. These are the seeds dispersed by which agent? Poppy seed, pea seeds and balsam seeds. These seeds are dispersed by which agent? So, they are dispersing from which agent? Explosion. Very good. So this is the dispersal by explosion. Very good. This is also Livana, Jehan, they already given the answer. Lots of persons are giving. Navamita, why you are writing balsam? Balsam I have given, no? This is the, these all names I have given. I have asked you about the name of the agent. Now, a baby plant lies between the cotyledon leaves and shoot. Baby plant lies between the, where? In between? Baby plant lies between the cotyledons. Embryo is the total place, or no, don't say embryo. Embryo is actually where the all these things in between. I am asking you in between. Embryo is itself is radical and primule whatever. But in between means these are cotyledons. Okay. So in between the cotyledons, embryo is there. Clear? Now, next one is, if I'll ask you, which carrot is grow from the which part of the plant? Carrot grows from which part of its plant? It is a root. Yes. When the growing from its seeds, this is called, they grow from the other parts of the plant, they are called what? When plants do not grow from their seeds but from the other parts of their plant, they are called, what kind of growth is that? This is called what? Vegetative. Don't write only vegetative. This is vegetative propagation. This is vegetative propagation. Okay. Now, rose is an example of this kind of vegetative propagation. Yes, very good. Jehan is written vegetative propagation. Yes, it is stem cutting, or you can say stem vegetative propagation. Now, tell me a name of a plant which are having, which are grown from their leaves. Name the plant which grow from their leaves. Write the name of the plant which grow from their leaves. There are two names are given. Yes, it is begonia or bryophyllum, both. Both are correct. Okay. So they grow from their leaves. Very good. It is Aranya is given and Jehan is also given. Isha is also given. So lots of persons are giving the correct answer. Now the next is, they do not produce seeds, but they produces tiny spores. Who produces tiny spores? Which plant produces tiny spores? This is not bryophyllum, dear Shubhecha, it is bryophyllum. Yes, Jehan, it is correct. Fern plants produces spores, or the fern plants produces small spores. They are not seeds. Very good. Now, I'll ask you, we can grow a new plant from the carrot. It is an example I have asked you. Now, the mass production of the plants for food and other purposes is called this. The mass production of the food and other purposes is called this. Agriculture. Very good. This is agriculture. Now, next question. Plants of the some kind grown on a large scale at a particular time in a particular season or a particular time are called this. When plants grow in a mass scale in a particular time or a season is called this. What is it is called? Crop. Very good. Aronno, Jehan. Yeah, no. Aronno has written, Avipsha, Jehan. They all have given the correct answer. Navamita is also given the answer. So it is a crop. Now, which kind of soil needed for the cotton plant? Which kind of soil is needed for the cotton plant? Who will tell me? Which kind of soil is needed for cotton plant? Yes, it is black or alluvial. Very good, Jehan. Black alluvial soil is needed for the black. Why black? Because they are rich in manganese and all other minerals which are good for the growth of the cotton plant. Now, this is, okay, tell me, rice is an example of this crop. Rice is an example of this crop. Which crop? Rice is grown, or rice is an example of this crop. It is Kharif crop. Okay, not Rabi. Rice is actually Kharif crop, no? So why you are giving this Rabi, paddy? Don't say paddy. Crop means which kind of crop means Kharif or Rabi crop. So you will write the name of that. Okay. Now, tell me, if you want to grow wheat crop, you will grow its seed in the month of, if you want to grow the wheat seed, you will grow the seeds of this in the month of which month? Which month you have to sow the seed of the wheat crop? November. Very good. Navamita, good. Xanthium, acha. Tell me, if we want to grow a new bryophyllum plant, we need to search its buds on the, where are the buds present? It is on the notches of the leaf, isn't it? It is leaf. Yes, leaves. Now, dash are called our green plants. Which are called our green plants? Dash are called our green plants. Not leaves. Plants are called our green plants. Very good. Now next, dash is stored food for the baby plant. Dash is stored food for the baby plant. Cotyledons or the seed leaves stores food for the baby plant. Now the bud of potato are called this. The buds of potato are called this. What they are called? Buds of potatoes are called this. What they are called? Buds of, yes, it is eyes. Prince is correct, Jehan is correct, Shubhecha and Navamita, then Nishi, they all are giving the answer. This is eye of the potato. Now, next one is, this is added to the soil to provide nutrients. What is to be added to the soil to provide nutrients? What you have to add to the soil to provide nutrients? What you have to add to the soil to provide nutrients? Yes, it is manure. Okay. When we are adding the manure, that means we are adding nutrients to the soil for it, for the good growth of the plant. So it will get its nutrients and it will grow the good amount and good quality of the plants. Understood? Okay. We have almost completed the chapter, both the chapter, and I know you have already completed at your home. So I have taken this very short answer. Name the part of the seed. There are so many, don't give. Now name the seed that are dispersed by wind. You know lots of. Name two vegetative parts. So these all are the small answers. Don't give it. We have taken the MCQ part already. So go through it. And one thing I would like to tell you, go through your exercises and go through the chapter also thoroughly, because MCQ questions are from the chapter. Don't think that all the statement, all the MCQ question you will get from the exercise, because maybe I have taken some questions from inside the chapter. So you go through the chapter as there, you don't need to be write lots of things. You have to just opt the options. So when you will go through the chapter, you will able to give all the answers. Okay. So best of luck for your PT1. Have a nice day and do your exams well. And if you have any queries, then you please write that. Whether you have any queries, then you can write it to me. You can clear it from me. Okay. Do you have any inquiries? No? Okay. Thank you for the class. Have a nice day. Okay. Thank you. যা বাবা।